Okay, so we messed up. A couple weeks back, we made this whole video talking about how excited we were that the classic Yunnan seasoning mix, Jianshui La, was finally internationally available in the form of a brand called Danshan. Talked a bit about how you could use the bag from its basic applications to more complex ones, even to a bit of cross-cultural silliness. We neglected our usual step of a from-scratch copycat recipe out of sheer confidence of its availability, and it doesn't seem to be available everywhere. So here we go, let us atone for our sins. So we'll just start off with 20 grams of chili pepper. Today we're using a Sichuan Erjingtiaos, just got a beautiful batch in, but our recommendation abroad would be Guajillo, maybe mixed with a touch of arbals if you wanted a little more kick. Toast the chilies over a medium-low flame for about 5 minutes, or until they're roughly chestnut color. Then toss them in a spider and jiggle to get out some of the seeds. Or, as an aside, if you don't have a spider, just jiggle in a bowl and lift them out with your fingers. Then we'll just grind these up, 2 batches, half into a fine powder and the other half into a flake. In the end, you should be looking at roughly 3 tablespoons of chili. Then, also toast up 1 tablespoon Sichuan peppercorn, preferably a green Sichuan pepper, but use what you have, together with 2 teaspoons of fennel seed and a half teaspoon of peppercorn. We're using white, but black should also be okay too. Toast those over a low flame until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Then remove and blitz into a fine powder. In the end, you should be looking at about 2 tablespoons in all. Then just mix those 2 things together and add in a teaspoon of MSG, a half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ginger powder, and a half teaspoon chicken bouillon powder. The chicken powder we're adding because Danshan contains a very savory umami additive called disodium 5-ribonucleotide, also called I plus G, and the chicken powder that we use contains the same additive. If yours doesn't, or if you're a vegetarian, just swap that for a little more MSG. And then after mixing, that's honestly it. While in a blind taste test, someone from Yunnan might be able to differentiate eating the stuff straight. To our taste buds, they're practically indistinguishable, especially inside of a dish.